Hi, this is Usman. Welcome to Usman Physics. In this video, I am going to solve a simple problem related to the chapter Refraction of Light on Curved Surfaces by using lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and also we are going to find object distance and image distance when only focal length of the lens is given. The question is, the distance between an object and screen is 75 centimeters. When a convex lens of focal length 12 centimeters is placed in between the object and screen, magnification of the real image formed can be. So let us see how this problem can be solved. So it is given that there is an object and screen, and the distance between an object and screen is 75 centimeters. Now a convex lens of focal length 12 centimeters has to be placed in between object and the screen. We don't know where the lens is kept in between the object and the screen. Let us assume that the lens is kept at this position. Now let u be the object distance and v be the image distance, and from the given data we get v is equal to 75 minus u centimeters. Now object distance is equal to u centimeters, that is equal to minus u centimeters we have to take as per sign convention, and image distance is equal to v centimeters, that is 75 minus u centimeters. Now by using the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and if we substitute the value of focal length, image distance and object distance in the above formula, we get 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 75 minus u minus 1 by minus u, that gives 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 75 minus u plus 1 by u. Now 1 by 12 is equal to 75 by 75 u minus u square. By cross multiplying we get 75 u minus u square is equal to 12 into 75, and if we simplify this we get u square minus 75 u plus 900 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of u, and it can be found by using the equation u is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 75, c is equal to 900. If we substitute these values in the above equation, we get u is equal to 75 plus or minus square root of 5625 minus 3600 divided by 2. If we simplify this, we get the value of u as 60 centimeters or 15 centimeters. Case 1, when u is equal to 60 centimeters, we get v is equal to 15 centimeters. That is, when object distance is 60 centimeters, image distance is 15 centimeters. In case 2, when u is equal to 15 centimeters, we get v is equal to 60 centimeters. That is, when object distance is 15 centimeters, we get image distance as 60 centimeters. Now let us try to find the magnification values. We know that the distance between the object and the screen is 75 centimeters. Let us assume that the lens is kept at a distance of 60 centimeters from the object, that is object distance is 60 centimeters, and from this we get image distance v is equal to 15 centimeters. Now let us find magnification for these values. So magnification m is equal to v by u, that is equal to 15 by minus 60 as per sign convention rule, and if we simplify this we get magnification as minus 0.25, that is diminished real image is formed and that can be seen on the screen. Now let us go for second case. Now when the lens is kept at a distance of 15 centimeters from the object. That is, object distance u will become 15 centimeters, and from this we get image distance v is equal to 60 centimeters. Now let us find magnification for these values. Magnification m is equal to v by u, that is equal to 60 by minus 15, and if we simplify this we get magnification as minus 4, that is, magnified real image is formed, and that can be seen on the screen. Thank you for watching this video.